Welcome to the Namibia Oil and Gas podcast, your weekly gateway to the latest news and developments shaping Namibia's dynamic oil and gas sector. It's Friday, 13th March 2026, and I am Taniel Kokoses with the latest news, updates, and insights from the Namibia oil and gas industry. This week's top headlines: Petrobras enters Namibia's Lüderitz Basin. Namibia secures $250 million for industrial decarbonization. Chevron appoints Emmanuelle Garinet to lead exploration. Pancontinental Advances PEL 87 farm out.
Namibia's oil and gas industry is evolving. Are you ready to lead the way? RD Namibia Energy Consultancy is your trusted partner in natural resources media management, data analytics, and stakeholder engagement. We're building a first-of-its-kind resource hub, shaping the future with cutting-edge digital assets. Whether you're a local enterprise or an international investor, now is the time to connect. Partner with RD and navigate Namibia's energy sector with confidence. Visit www.namibiaoilandgas.com today.
Brazil's state-controlled oil giant Petrobras have moved to strengthen its international exploration portfolio with a strategic entry into Namibia's offshore sector. The company secured a 42.5% participating interest in Block 2613 in the Lüderitz Basin, partnering with Total Energies, which hold an equal stake and will operate the license. The block spans approximately 11,000 square kilometers and represents a significant expansion of Petrobras' presence in frontier exploration areas. The announcement generated positive market sentiment, with Petrobras shares rising and trading volumes increasing significantly following the news. The investment forms part of the company's broader strategy to diversify its reserve base beyond Brazil, while positioning itself within one of the world's most closely watched emerging offshore petroleum provinces. Namibia has secured access up to $250 million in consensual climate financing through the Climate Investment Fund Industrial Decarbonization Program. The funding aims to support the development of low-carbon industries and accelerate the country's broader economic transformation agenda under its national development priorities. Proposed investments are expected to focus on mineral beneficiation, low-carbon manufacturing, and industrial system decarbonization, while strengthening key infrastructure such as energy networks, logistic corridors, and industrial parks. Officials say the program will help translate policy objectives into practical investments while expanding Namibia's participation in emerging global green value chains. Chevron has appointed exploration veteran Emmanuelle Garinet as Director of Exploration for the Americas and Sub-Saharan Africa. The appointment places an experienced geophysicist with decades of global exploration experience at the helm of the company's discovery strategy across two of the world's most important hydrocarbon regions. The move has been welcomed by industry stakeholders who view it as a positive signal for exploration investment in Africa. Chevron continues to evaluate prospects in Namibia's offshore basins, including planned exploration activity in the Wolfish Basin as part of its strategy to expand its presence in emerging frontier petroleum provinces. Pancontinental Energy is advancing the farm-out process of PEL 87 offshore southern Namibia, with shortlisted companies now reviewing the project's technical data. The license covers approximately 10,970 square kilometers in the Orange Basin and lies along the same geological trend as several major discoveries made in recent years. At the same time, Pancontinental is progressing environmental and regulatory work required for future exploration drilling. Studies and technical analysis continue to refine key prospects within the block including Oryx and Hyrax, as the company works towards securing drilling approvals and attracting additional partners to support the next phase of exploration. Thank you for listening to this week's episode of the Namibia Oil and Gas podcast. If you would like to contribute with news and information, please contact us at info@namibiaoilandgas.com. For more news, information, resources, and updates of the week, visit www.namibiaoilandgas.com. Join us next time as we continue to explore the top stories driving Namibia's energy future.